All right, that's it. While the real hunt is off the clock, I think it's high time I show everyone that I can teach.
All right, let's hear it.
Okay, so this week the podcast was about filling out W-4s.
That's a great topic to teach about.
Excuse me, please, let me work here.
Okay, sorry.
I'm listing 5 takeaways from the podcast, Business by the Numbers, episode 121, filling out W-4s. 1. Double check your social security number. Always triple check your social security number when filling out the W-4 form. Incorrect entries can cause significant processing delays and errors. 2. Use single for higher withholding. If you want to be conservative and ensure you don't owe taxes, select single even if you are married. This will result in higher withholding and reduce the risk of owing money at the end of the year. 3. Claim dependents carefully. For dependents under 17, multiply the number by $2,000. For other dependents, multiply by $500. To be conservative, consider claiming fewer dependents to ensure you don't end up owing money. 4. Adjust withholding for multiple jobs or working spouse. If you or your spouse have multiple jobs, use the IRS worksheet to ensure correct withholding. This helps prevent underwithholding and a potential hefty tax bill at the end of the year. 5. Extra withholding for business owners. If you're self-employed and have business income, always err on the side of over-withholding. Select single and zero exemptions to ensure maximum withholding and avoid a tax time surprise.
Wow, that was great. The only thing you need to do is smile more. Can you do that?
You can't tell that I am smiling?
Okay, we'll work on it.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.